Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change your name on Spotify. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Spotify and then I simply click on my profile picture in the top right hand corner. Here I click on Profile and can now see my profile name. If I click on the profile name, I can change it. Now I click on Save. And I have changed my profile name on Spotify. It's really easy if you know where the function is hidden. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.